Today what are we doing?
Go fishing.
Go fishing for what?
For walleye.
For walleye, we're gonna jig. Let's see our jigging setup here. Good luck everybody. First one to catch a walleye today, the loser has to pay $100, okay?
Okay.
Okay, if I catch one first, you have to buy me the new fishing rod. If you're catching one first, what do you want me to buy you? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright, if I catch one first, you have to buy me the new fishing rod, orange one.
Okay.
Okay, good luck everybody! What happened there? Oh, it's a big walleye! Oh.
Go over there, go over there.
Oh my god, big walleye! Yeah! Oh no no no! Baby!
Wow, good job.
Oh my god, guys! My first walleye! Take the camera! Take the camera! Oh! Oh my god, look at that monster, guys! Holy shit! I'm so excited! Hold on.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, looks like I'm gonna buy my fishing rod. This thing is huge! Oh my god! Walleye! Looks like I'm gonna buy my new fishing rod, guys. Oh shit, guys. Another walleye.
Catching one again. Walleye. It's the biggest size too. Wow, nice.
Nice. Second one of the day. This one might be a catch, clean, and cook. Perfect size, guys. Walleye.
哇，呢條大啊！呢個
我钓了差不多有4条这么大。I think it's maybe 8 pounds.
8 pounds?
Yeah.
I think maybe 4 or 5.
没有
4
4 or 5?
4 5
4, 5?
啊！
Oh,
How many pounds?
5.
4, 5.
Five?
Yeah.
Video?
Oh, yeah.
5 pounds.
Yeah.
A monster. First one.
Yeah.
Long time ago.
But this is a
This is a good one to eat.
good one eat for dinner.
Yeah.
This is for filling.
Fillet, yeah, fillet.
Yeah, filling the just use the meat.
Yeah.
Everything
Good one.
is too big.
Too big.
Yeah, too big. Eat for that one maybe 1 pound, 2 pounds is better.
Alright.
Alright.
5
Alright.
pounds. Good job. This first day, the catching walleye.
Hey guys, you probably just saw a video of me catching all the walleye there, but I'm going to show you how to fillet it like an amateur. First time. We gotta make a cut behind the gill plate, so right around here, all the way down. Oh yeah, make sure you got a fillet knife too. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. This way. This way. Nice and sharp. Then you're gonna take your knife, go all the way down the spine here. All the way down the spine. All the way to the tail. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, same thing on the other side. Almost died. Kind of dangerous here, eh? Still good. All the way down the tail there. You're coming this way. Alright. Tail there. Okay. You gotta go up and over the rib cage. Downward. Get messy in here. It's okay. Be able to clean it later.
Your knife sharp.
Knife is not sharp. Alright. Alright. That's one side there. Gonna do the other side now. Stop laughing, me. You know what? Surprisingly, it doesn't even smell that bad. I hate fish. I hate the taste of fish, but I'm doing this for you guys, aka Steven. Oh yeah, that's good meat, eh? Shut up. Shut up. Alright guys, now we have the two fillets here, the fillets. You can remove the skin. Wait, you can make a small incision at the tail here. Get a nice grip on it. Just let the blade do the work. Okay, you can see right there. Skin is coming off nicely. So What's the skin doing there? What happened? Cut it. Alright guys, we're gonna do the second fillet here. Again, starting at the tail, pushing the blade between the skin and the meat, and just letting the knife do the work. Again, it's good to have a sharp knife. Not like this one, it's not very sharp. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Alright. One more go at it, and there you have it. 2 walleye fillets at your disposal, and there is some bone in the middle here. Alright guys, I'm checking for bones. Usually the middle part has a little bit of bone there. What you can do is make a small incision on the tail, like so. You can pull it down almost just like a zipper. And there goes all the meat. And there you go, this should be boneless fillet there. Let's do the same thing on the other side. It doesn't even smell that bad too. Okay. Should be able to pull that meat right off the middle there where all the bones are. And that didn't work. Alright. Let's do the other side now. Just like that. Full of bones. And there you guys have it. Walleye fillets. Show ingredients is shake and bake, crispy southern fried. Right there. We got some egg. Let's stir it up. I'm gonna cut these into little nuggets. Little bite-sized nuggets. Look at those little nuggets. It's a little bit too big. Surprisingly, this does not smell fishy at all. It smells very good. Very good walleye. A little bit skin, but it's alright. Alright, we're gonna leave it like that. Let me give it a quick wash. Cover it up a little bit. Done. Okay, close it. Okay, you're ready. There you have it, guys. Little walleye nuggets. Not the best, alright? But it's good. Thanks for watching.